Hi guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I show you how to create a PNG talking animation. As you can see here on the screen, it's very easy, and if you want to become a PNG tuber, or if you need a PNG talking animation for a specific video or shorts or even live streams, you are in the right place, because I'm also showing you how to implement all these into OBS. Let's close this one first and go to Canva. Canva is a browser-based graphic tool we can use for this to create the pictures. Let's create a design, Instagram post square format. Use green screen first. Just a light green screen, it's already enough. And go to elements. We are creating a talking banana today. Type in banana. You can filter the free pictures if you want. See all on graphics. Let's take this one. Rotate and scale as you like to fit your picture and format. Perfect. Basically, we need 4 pictures. Open eyes, open mouth, open eyes, closed mouth, closed eyes, open mouth, and closed eyes, closed mouth. Let's start open eyes first. Let's take this one. Scale it, flip it horizontal, and make it fit. Nice. Let's add mouth, open mouth, like this one. Let's make it fit. Perfect. So we already created the first one. Copy and find closed eyes. I like this one and I'm using this very often. You can drag it onto your open eyes. Ctrl X for cut out. Click it, delete, Ctrl V to get it back. Alright, we have 2 pictures now. Copy, closed mouth. We can use this one. Drag and drop perfectly to make it fit. Ctrl X to cut out, delete, Ctrl V. Alright, last one is open eyes, closed mouth. Just copy, delete, and Ctrl V to make it fit and to paste it. Perfect. Now just share and download. PNG, download. Perfect. We can extract the downloads now. Drag it to the desktop if you want and extract all. So here we have all 4 pictures we need to create the PNG talking animation now. And you need a small software called Veadotube Mini. It's very small, easy and free. You can find the link in the description, and in terms of use, it's very easy and simple. You don't need to give credit, but it's appreciated, of course. And yes, copyright problem is also not a big deal. You can check it out. And yes, let's go. Open the program. You can see I already have many of them here. I will show you a few of them. For example, the doggy here I created. And yes, the pumpkin, the mice, small cute cat, and yes, also the toast here, a cappy. I don't know, so many. I created all these for live streams. You can check it out on my channel if you want. And yes, nice. Let's close them all. Alright, to show you the process of creating this animation, it's very simple. You just create here state 1. This is the basic one. Click on the arrow here. And yes, start closed mouth image. Replace. Desktop. find your pictures. So we have open mouth, closed, open eyes, and closed mouth, like this one. All right. Next one is open mouth image and open eyes. This one. Closed eyes, closed mouth. Closed eyes and open mouth. Alright, so you can see it's working now. We have already created the PNG talking animation. And yes, this is the simplest way. You can also create, like here, shortcuts. I think it's here or here. Here. Here we have also shortcuts. You can press, for example, another button, and then you can also change the pictures. So if you want to create emotions and switch between those emotions, standard version and emotions like crying or, I don't know, surprised or anything, you can also create more pictures. Use the shortcuts to express those emotions. For example, in live streams, you can yes, bring some variation if you want. Alright guys, so to implement this into your live stream, I'm going to show you on OBS. I hope you can see it. It might look a little bit strange because I'm recording at the same time, but press plus here. So all you need to do is to create a window caption. Okay, it's already finding Veadotube, but if not, you can just press here and find the window you need. Press OK. And now we have already the PNG talking animation on our screen. We can move it, we can scale it, everything. But of course we have the green screen here, so we need to remove by clicking the right click, filters, or here filters, and add chroma key. Alright, you can see it's not perfectly fit. Yeah, it's not perfect, so you can adjust a little bit. For example here, the similarity, and yes, the smoothness a little bit, and then you're already done. Put it everywhere you want and start your stream. Alright guys, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.